Uh, we are actually leading manufacturers for resistance welding machine, and recently we have developed wire welding machine for sim welding application, as well as inverters controller to that save powers up to 30 to 40% compared to conventional machines. And we are also in the railway flashbut welding applications. We are the only supplier for railway resistance welding machines. Our machines are built for mass productions, as well as we are considering building machine considering environment of the Indian manufacturers, and we are contributing that way, uh, providing resistance solution for each and every welding job. We are proud to be a participant of Make in India. This is ENGIMACH exhibition is going on since last 30 years. This is first time we are participating, and we are getting very good response from day one, and we expect good leads from our customers.